In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the stretch command in AutoCAD. The stretch command is perfect when you need to lengthen or shorten parts of your geometry without redrawing them, especially when you're adjusting walls, edges, or any linear detail that needs to shift precisely. First, type stretch in the command line and press enter. This starts the command and tells AutoCAD you're ready to modify your geometry. You'll see a prompt to select what you want to affect. Now, select the object you want to stretch. Keep in mind that stretch works best when you include only the portion you intend to move, so be deliberate about your selection. If you're working near corners or junctions, selecting just the relevant endpoints or segments gives you cleaner results and avoids moving parts you didn't mean to adjust. Next, click on a base point. Think of the base point as your reference anchor. It's the spot AutoCAD will measure from as it applies the change. Choose something logical and precise, like an endpoint, a corner, or a midpoint on the object you're stretching. Using object snaps helps you grab exact locations so your edits stay accurate and aligned with the rest of your drawing. Now, use your mouse to set the stretching distance. As you move the cursor, you'll see a live preview of the geometry updating. If you want to keep things straight, align the cursor along the axis you intend to stretch. Tools like ortho or polar tracking can help maintain direction, so the stretch follows a clean, horizontal, vertical, or angled path. If you need an exact change, you can also type a precise distance or displacement value and press enter instead of relying on a freehand move. This is especially useful when you know the exact amount you want to add or remove. When you click to accept the new position or confirm the typed value, AutoCAD applies the stretch, and there you go. That's all. Your geometry updates immediately, maintaining connections and relationships wherever possible. If the result isn't what you expected, simply undo and try a more focused selection or a different base point for a cleaner outcome. To recap, you launched the command by typing stretch and pressing enter, selected the object to modify, chose a solid base point to anchor the change, and used your mouse, or an exact value, to set the new distance. With a little practice, this becomes a fast, reliable way to fine-tune your designs without starting from scratch.